Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial I will be sharing with you parrot green smoky eye makeup look. If you're wearing a parrot green color attire, be it salwar, be it gown, be it anything in green color, parrot green color, then please give this eye makeup look a try. It's a very easy tutorial. The highlighting on the crease line seems to be complex, but I will tell you how to achieve it in simple way. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eye makeup look, then please continue watching. I'm using this eyeshadow and packing it on my crease. Move the brush back and forth when you're applying the eyeshadow, and then move it in circular motion for smokiness to appear on crease. Link to this palette is in the description box below, along with other products that I would be using. I'm applying the same on my outer V. Next, I'm taking this parrot green eyeshadow. These are the only two matte eyeshadows that I would be using. This is a 3 eyeshadow eye makeup tutorial. 2 matte eyeshadows and 1 glitter. I have covered my lid using this parrot green eyeshadow. Take the first brush back again and begin blending the green eyeshadow with the first eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth. Do this for a considerable amount of time. It will take time for 2 eyeshadows to blend. Hold the brush very lightly when you're blending 2 eyeshadows. Next, I would be using glitter eyeshadow. This is a very beautiful palette. I'm picking this glittery eyeshadow and covering half of my eye. I'm using PAC 383 brush. Keep the glitter within the crease line. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I am using liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner. Use the liquid eyeliner wand and place the liquid eyeshadow here on the tip only. To apply, the tip here is to place the liquid eyeshadow on the tip of the wand and begin placing it on the crease line. You'll have to be very careful. Clean the excess that is there in the wand and place little only on the tip. And then begin highlighting your crease line using liquid eyeshadow. It will take time. To achieve this easily, you'll have to place little on the tip only and remove the excess that is there in the wand, and that way you'll be able to achieve it easily. I'm done. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. After outlining my wing, I'm filling it. Winged eyeliner application is easier this way. I'm using a liquid eyeliner from Insight. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye and your eye makeup looks very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Be very careful here. Pointed inner corner takes practice. Practice multiple times. After this, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Next, smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. I'm using the parrot green eyeshadow and smudging. The traces of the eyeshadow should be visible. Next, I'm highlighting my brow bone using foil from Swiss Beauty, silver foil. Link to this foil is in the description box below. Now I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wands in upward direction multiple times. When you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.